Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom cream soup step by step. Start by gathering fresh mushrooms, onion, garlic, butter, stock, cream, and seasonings. I'll guide you through sautéing, simmering, and blending to reach a silky texture. Follow simple timing tips so the mushrooms stay flavorful and never rubbery. I'll also share easy ways to adjust richness and seasoning to suit any palate. Sautéing properly builds the flavor foundation for your soup. Heat butter in a wide pan, then soften onion and garlic until fragrant. Add mushrooms in a single layer so they brown rather than steam, stirring occasionally for even color. Once nicely caramelized, deglaze with a splash of stock to capture those fond flavors. This step adds depth so the finished cream soup tastes rich and layered. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation. A book I enjoy is The Simple Path to Wealth, which treats money in a clear, comforting way and pairs well with slow soup nights. Check the description for the link and other deals. It makes a thoughtful gift or quiet read while your soup simmers. Now let's get back to the video. Simmering extracts deep mushroom flavor while melding ingredients together. Add stock and simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes to concentrate taste without overcooking. Carefully blend until silky using an immersion blender or a countertop model, then return to low heat. Stir in cream off the heat to keep the soup smooth and balance with salt and pepper. Taste as you go to make it just right for your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.